Hi, Joe Green from THA Center for Innovative Solutions. Coming to you today from our TCIS COVID-19 Command Center, which is also my home office, and I'm sure many of you are doing the same thing. Wanted to take a moment just to let you know about one of our strategic partners that could be very important to you during this time. It's Qualivis Staffing. Right now, Qualivis has enacted their Emergency Preparedness and Rapid Response Staffing Unit. They can respond quickly to staffing requests in your facility. It might be for clinicians that have gotten sick or for increased census that you have in your hospital, but whatever your needs are, Qualivis can help. They know that staffing needs are very important right now, and they are committed to helping our Tennessee hospitals. That's why they're such a great partner of ours. If you need additional staffing resources from Qualivis and you're the current partner of theirs, contact your account manager. If you're not a current Qualivis customer, contact me, Joe Green, and I'll help. 615-693-0761. Thanks and stay well.